What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're in Denver and we're hitting up a Dollar Tree. Yes, out of all things to do, we got some time. We're gonna head on in there and see what they got. We just pulled into the parking lot. There it is. Good old Dollar Tree. Reliable Dollar Tree, should I say. Where everything's a dollar no matter where you're at. Let's get it. We're headed to the electronics section. As usual, no matter where we go, we got a strike. Never get tired of mentioning it to you guys. Head on over to the electronics section. You may get lucky and find movies like I do usually, DVDs and Blu-rays, more DVDs and Blu-rays that is. But right here we got Brawler, which I've seen this one before. Not really interested in checking it out, to be honest with you guys. I don't have it, but don't care to either. Then we got some Jackals, Blood Vikings here. Okay, Little Fearless Viking. Not bad, not bad. You know, for me to get something on DVD, though, it has to be one that really moves the scale for me. They got tons of DVDs. Live by Night. That's that Ben Affleck movie that I've told you guys about. I already have that one in the collection on Blu-ray. Some more DVDs down there, buried. This Dollar Tree is actually pretty loaded. They got the Stuart Little special here. But nothing too good. We got Asher on DVD there. Planet Ant. Oh, Scorpion King 4 with Lou Ferrigno. Nice. Not really. Oh, Lila and Eve. Good one right there. I already have it on Blu-ray. Ooh, Clean Skin. Already got that one with Sean Bean. Any other Cheddar McCheese? Ooh, Fire Trail. Dollar Tree's loading up with some garbage, man. Where the good stuff at, Dollar Tree? Ooh, blood-sucking bastards. No thanks. Stanley Cup video here. Ooh, Blood of Redemption with Dolph Lundgren. Anything else that we could deem worthy of adding to the collection or no? Nah. Nothing else. Alright, so we just got out the Dollar Tree, and I'm here to tell you that we picked up the Dolph Lundgren, Vinnie Jones, Robert Davi, Billy Zane classic Blood of Redemption. That's the pick from the Dollar Tree for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have you guys seen it? I mean, it looks pretty serious. Anytime you see a movie with a gun in the cover, you already know it's go time. So comment down below if you guys have seen it. This was our pick for this week. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you on the next Dollar Tree special. Peace.